Moments before Dan is arriving. What are we saying? What? What? My turn. Why you doing that? Oh my gosh. Oh, saying wow. I never thought. Yeah, that hug was worth. Hi stars, so I just met this young girl. Another star. I love seeing you guys. You say something for the channel. Hi guys, subscribe. Danica, Shikulo. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment on my favorite YouTuber. Thank you so much. Hi stars, I haven't really spoke to the camera in like a while, but I definitely wanted to feature today. Today is Friday. It should be, I believe, the 19th of December. And it's a Friday. So we are having a braai. My brother Dan is in town. And we're going to see what we're going to do. Right now we just arrived at my aunt's place, where we used to live back in the day. Me and my sister.
Like for most of our degree, most of our undergrad, we lived here.
6 years.
6'5" for me.
6'7". Current situation, we're making potato bake. That's what's on there. Vlees in Namibia style, julle hoor. Hier is net 'n mixed chops. Ons het ook porkbelly gekry. Porkbelly hierso. Wors en hierdie is vir die potato bake. Ons het hoender. En ons maak ook salsa. Dis wat ons doen. I'm not going, Chucky. I'm going to swim. Just wait. It's in front. I'll put it in the front. No problem. Okay, more Coronas. I'm looking for the bottles, guys. Where is the bottles?
There's this one here.
The Wild Africa? Yes, this is my bestie today. We're literally twinning, I hope. We should be We're twinning, right? We're twinning! We bought this because of this headband thingy, and I want to put it on my head. We also have Sapphire Bombay, because I wanted some gin and juice. But I have to grab that in the car, but I think I'm going to just leave it for now. My bestie though. I want to put the headband on.
I'm sorry, you okay? Does it hurt? She's still going back in.
Yeah, of course. Finally. I don't know. home sweet home. Ooh, this shit hurts. So happy to be home. I haven't been home in like 2 years, people. Almost 2 years, I think. I honestly believe so. Ons is op pad na die plaas nou. Hallo mami. Hier is nie ontbijt. Hier is die groot mense se goedjies met al die ander dinge wat ons nodig het vir hierdie plaas trip. Ons gaan vir Kersfees op die plaas. Soos altyd. Welkom. Baie welkom na hierdie vlog. I don't even know why I'm speaking Afrikaans at this point. But welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the farm. It is Christmas Eve. That means it is the 24th of December. It's the day before Jesus was born. We're on our way. It's about 3 p.m. It's about 3 p.m. I don't know the exact time, but that's the time right now. We've been running errands the entire day, and we arrived in Ochibarango yesterday, and it's been hectic. It's been hectic since then. I did a whole lot of random stuff. I don't even know what I'm showing you guys or what I showed you guys previously to this, but welcome. Feel very welcome to this vlog. I am here with my other friend. She's shy, but she has to make an appearance. Her name is Sabibi, and we are having a very good time together. She's been taking very good care of me, and we're besties now. Let's give this hot dog thingy a try. Not too bad. Mom, shout out to Destiny. I met with Destiny in Spa while running errands. Shout out to you if you're watching this vlog. I love meeting my stars, but I was really busy, so felt like I didn't do it properly. Is it only one minute? No.
It was complicated.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2493.
It is. It's like he's running. It looks like he is.
So lekker groen. Hi! I missed you too. Be careful. I'm coming.
Nice ones.
Hi, Michael. Hi. How are you? Are you fine? I missed you too. Come. You said we're not coming anymore? Why?
JC for that. Mommy! Mommy!
Yeah.
Mommy!
You want to run to mommy?
No.
Okay.
Bring me now.
We have arrived.
You made it.
Sister, are you alive? I brought everything possible. I even brought something special. Come on. Lol. Hi guys, my name is Jasmine and we are going to spend Christmas at the farm. Maybe family day and maybe even New Year's. So please stay continued. You must like, comment and subscribe and also share to other people. So you must please stay continued. Nah. Clock that.
Santa, it's me again. I've got to let you know what's on my Christmas list. Started as a wish, then it became my first kiss. Santa, can't you hear me? Climb down my chimney. Just leave it under the tree. Please don't you disappoint me. This is something I need. Cuddled by the fireplace, your hands above. Kiss me under the mistletoe, just playing. Oh, Yuletide carols, harmony. Santa, this is my little list. Please give me this Christmas gift tonight.
Final moments of my brother.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
I didn't even see that.
Yes, yes.
Me a video.
No? Bye. Stay. It looks fancy. Fancy, fancy. 5 minutes to 2026. 4. I changed it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! It's been crazy. It's the 1st of January and it's the new year. It's 2026 and I look like this. I wish I could give you guys a full 360, but you don't want to see what's going on. It's got me thinking a lot. You know, this entire festive season has got me thinking about a lot, guys. Oh my gosh, like, I think the first thing I want to say is, like, obviously, first and foremost, Happy New Year, Happy 2026. This year, I don't know where life would take us, but we're here right now, you watching this video. And I just want to say, like, meeting a lot of you guys in person over the whole festive season, like, I've met more stars that I could count. Honestly, I don't know, because yeah, let's just put it that way, because I don't know how to put it in words. Like, I honestly still regard myself like as a small creator, and every time someone asks me, I always tell them it depends on who you ask, you know, if I'm big or not. But I regard myself as a small creator, and thinking about every star that I met this entire festive season, it's like, you guys are so beautiful people. Like, let's just start there. Like, not only is your inside beautiful because you watch me, let's just I don't even know. Like, if we vibrate on the same frequency, you guys watching my channel, you guys I don't know, like, it's got me thinking in terms of, like, maybe even camera shy. That's why, like, I don't know where to start talking to you guys now, because you guys are, like, so beautiful. Like, even you guys are stunning, gorgeous, the boys are handsome. I mean, I don't know, like, and it made me realize, like, these people that are actually watching me, you guys, I could cry, really. I could cry, because it gets me so emotional. I don't know, made me even start being a little bit self-conscious a little bit, because now it feels like, knowing who I'm talking to right now, like, the words that I say, the things that I'm doing, the things that I'm, like, videographing, is it even good enough for you guys? I don't know. That's how I feel right now. That's how I feel. I feel in some ways inconfident, in some ways, and you know, it's crazy, I feel that way now. And every single one of you guys that I've met, you either tell me that I'm your favorite YouTuber, or you either tell me that my content is so good, and you either encourage me to keep on going, like, keep on posting, please post more. And I don't know how to take that, because when I see you guys in person, I'm like, wow, you know, like, all these beautiful people are watching me right now, and kind of puts me on the spot, really. I feel that way, and I also feel like what I'm doing is not good enough, you know. Like, I want to do more for you guys, basically. I want to really, really do more, and I want to step it up this year. I want 2026 to be a year where we really connect, and I take my content to other levels, because the love that you guys showed me over this whole entire festive season, I met so many of you at Sounds of Summer, and I know this vlog was like democrat as hell, but I just want to tell you guys that I really love you guys, and I really appreciate you guys, and I'm speaking from the heart every time I say that. Like, even when I meet you guys in person, you guys get so shocked about how, like, I would say in my words, like, down to earth I am. But I'm speaking under correction, because I really I don't know. That's where I'm at right now, and I have so much I still have to do. Like, there's so many things I still have to face this year, and there's so many things I still have to tell you guys. Like, big news, big exciting news, which I probably will, like, which I I can't even speak, which I'll probably reveal in my next video. But if you watched this far, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for your love, thank you for your patience, thank you for your continuous support. And let's start this year off with a bang, and let's do the best we can together and in our individual lives. Let's be the best people we can be, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna still, like, obviously continue content, like that's not gonna stop anytime soon, baby. But feeling feelings of doubt, feeling feelings of insecurity, and feeling feelings of like, are you good enough, am I good enough, am I doing enough, is all part of the process. Oh my gosh, I've been recording for 7 minutes. Anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It's been crazy, but just know I love you guys, and I don't ever take you for granted, every single one of you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.